Alright guys, the last skill we have for you is going to be our Macacao. This one is going to be kind of like a one-handed cartwheel, kind of like a back handspring, all kind of put together. Let's see what it looks like before we break it down. Alright, so pretty cool move. Let's see how we can start from the ground up at learning this one. First thing that we'll do here is we're going to start in our tabletop. Remember, bridge is where we reach all the way back with our hands by our ears. With our tabletop, we're actually reaching behind so that our shoulders stay forward, okay? From here, we're gonna choose our favorite side, okay? We're gonna lift up the other arm so that we're balanced just on two legs and that one hand, okay? From here, we're gonna take our far leg, the leg farthest from our planted hand, and we're gonna step it all the way over, big circle motion, just kind of like our blaster scoop, okay? A little bit different starting position, but it's gonna finish like our blaster scoop. Perfect, now moving forward from here, the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna try and start getting comfortable using our hand to do a little bit more work and to balance our weight. Okay, so the next thing we'll do here is we're gonna start with some hops, okay? We're gonna start on that one hand and we're gonna jump our feet up in the air just for a split second, going back and forth to get comfortable with holding our weight, our balance, all that stuff. Then from here, the next thing we'll do is we'll go to one-footed. We'll take that far foot and we'll let that one kick up nice and high as we jump and try and land back on that same foot. The last step here, guys, is we're just gonna take that foot, that far foot, we're gonna slice it all the way over our body until it steps down on the other side. Now, I know it seems like a big transition, but take it one step at a time, nice and slow, and just start adding more power as you feel comfortable. And then to put all this together, the last thing that we're going to do is we're gonna start standing up tall instead of starting in our tabletop. And we're gonna basically just do a little bit of a squat, getting nice and low as we jump into the skill so that we have a good amount of support and so that when we go over our hand is never holding our whole body weight as it pushes through. It's really just guiding us through that motion. And that's our Macacao.